On June 13th is International Albinism Awareness Day. That means that all around the globe, persons with albinism are going to try to bring awareness to their communities, wherever you may live, in North America, South America, the Middle East, China, Europe, Russia, or even Africa or Australia. No matter where you live on Earth, we are all still human, speaking multiple languages. But when you grasp what we are doing, we are all doing the same. Language, for example, is a strong barrier. But when you comprehend sound, you can comprehend language. For all we are doing is creating sound. And our brains are converting that sound into meaning. So rather you're speaking English or you're speaking Chinese, the sounds come out, the brain translates, and you comprehend or understand what the sounds mean. So in turn, the next time you learn a new language, take it as you're just learning a new set of sounds that you're going to ultimately be able to communicate with others. Life is a unstoppable lesson. Yes, an unstoppable lesson. For every day you are awakened, every day you should teach yourself something new. For a day without a lesson is a day lost in time. For a day lost in time is a day never gained in return. Don't waste your time. Just listen to the world around you. Comprehend and learn to appreciate the subtle things in life. Learn to say, I love you, and mean it. Yes, it's very simple. When you tell somebody that you love them, you are sharing emotion. Emotion is a very, very strong but very misunderstood law in our reality. A lot of people get confused with the emotion called love. They mistake it with lust. Lust is an emotion of want and not always need. You can say, I love my new car, but honestly, do you love your new car? Because when you love something, if it does not love you back, then that means that you lust that thing. You can't love a miscellaneous object, for that miscellaneous object does not have emotion to show you love in return. But when you show love to another person, then that love turns into more than just love. It can turn into romance or a friendship or anything that you turn it into. You can even think that you love somebody and that person can learn to hate you in return because you're confused with love and lust. Now, some people say, well, what is lust exactly? Lust is when you want something or someone really bad, but you really don't want it. You want something similar to it. You can lust your boyfriend or your girlfriend because they remind you of someone you used to know, or because they smell or act or wear some specific things. At the end of the day, it's not going to make you happy. Lust will never make you happy. In life, you have to become happy to be healthy, because he who is unhealthy will be unhappy, and he who is unhappy will always be unhealthy.